Hello and namaste to you all. My dear students, I would like to welcome you in this social studies class of grade 3. My dear students, I hope all of you are very safe and sound here, right? Okay, my dear students, as I have told you previously, I will be there with next topic. So today I am here. So my dear students, let's see on the board. Today you have got a new topic that is all about our festivals. Okay. So before moving towards today's class, let's know what are we going to do today. Okay, my dear students, at first we will have some words and meaning as usual, which helps you to enrich your vocabulary power, right? After that, we will have topic discussion, and even I have collected some of the pictures for you. We will see the pictures and discuss pictures too. Okay, after that we will have some exercise, right, which is very easy for you. Then my dear students, before starting the class, let's revise what we have done in our previous class. My dear students, can you remember what was the topic of our previous class? Okay, yes, I am sure that you have remembered it. In our last class, we have gone through a topic that was good behavior. Okay, now let me ask you, my dear students, are you following good behaviors? Yes, might be. Okay, so I am very happy for that. Okay, my dear students, in previous class we have gone through good behaviors. Okay, what is behaviors? What types of behaviors are known as good behaviors, and why should we have good behaviors? I hope you have remembered it. We must have good behaviors to be liked and loved by everyone, right? And not only that, even to be good person or successful person in our life as well. Okay, I know everyone has remembered it. Now let's move towards today's class. As I have told you before, today at first we are going towards some of the words with their meanings, right? So here I have written some words in the board. Yes, and their meanings too. So let's have a look at the board and let's read the words and even their meanings, right? So my dear students, at first here is a word called blessings. Okay, let me read you once again. Okay, B-L-E-S-S-I-N-G-S, blessings. You might have heard this word. Then what about the meaning? Okay, the meaning is God's favor or God's protection also you can say, right? Even elder peoples give us blessings. That means they are in favor of us, right? Okay, the next word is here D-E-V-O-T-E-E-S, devotees. Once again, D-E-V-O-T-E-E-S, devotees. Have you heard this word? Okay, might be there in your book, okay, in your social studies book. On the lesson, our festivals, you can check over there, okay. Devotees means strong believers of God. That means such people who believe very seriously in God, okay, who has a strong belief on God. They are called as devotees, right? And the next word is also there, F-E-A-S-T-I-N-G, feasting. Have you heard this word? Have you attended any feast? Okay, what's mean by feast? What is feasting? That is having a large meal. It's like a party. Yes, when many people are gathered there and when they are having meal, that can be called as feasting. Okay, now the next one is also here, W-O-R-S-S-I-P, worship. Once again, W-O-R-S-S-I-P, worship. What's the meaning? So, respect to God. My dear students, we are on the topic our festivals. Yes, and many of our festivals are religious, related to different gods. isn't it? So this word is there, okay? So worship means show respect to God. So many people you might have seen, even your mother, grandmother, they might be going temple to worship God, right? Okay, then the last word is there but not the least, okay? ornaments, ornaments. Once again for you, ornaments, ornaments. Okay, have you heard this word? Have you seen any ornaments? Yes, might be, yeah. Things want to look beautiful. Oh, for this word ornaments, you can see your mother. Okay, what types of ornament, what types of things she puts on so that she looks beautiful, right? Okay, so I hope you have understood these words and their meanings too. Are you clear on the words? Yes, okay. Now my dear students, let's move towards our topic, that is our festivals, right? Okay, to make you clear about the topic, I have got a chart paper over here. So there something is written. So shall we move for it? Yes, okay, here my dear students, see here, I have written the topic, our festivals, right? So what are the festival? What things are called festival? Why it is important for us? So it might be given here, so let's read it, okay? So here, festival are the time of celebrations in our communities, in our families. So my dear students, let's understand, okay? Festival are such time when there will be celebration, enjoyment, right? We can enjoy with our friends, relatives, neighbors. Yes? Okay. Different festivals are celebrated by different people. My dear students, you might have noticed in your community, in your society, there may be people of different castes, different religions, isn't it? So, different people, they have their own different types of festivals. You might have noticed, right? So, they are the occasions of happiness in our life. See, my dear students, festivals are such time which brings happiness in our life. Okay, everyone during the time of festival, they become happy, isn't it? So we can say that festival are such time which brings happiness in our life, right? And some examples of festivals I have written here. My dear students, you might have known our country is very rich in festivals. Many types of festivals are celebrated by different people who are living in our country. But the main festivals, some of the main festivals I have written here as example for you, okay? You might know more than this, right? So let's have a look at it, okay? Festivals examples are Dasai, Tihar, Holi, Chhath, Eid, Teej, Christmas, Buddha Purnima, etc. There are other many more festivals which we celebrate in our home, in our life, right, with our families. Okay, I think now you are clear about the topic festivals. What are festivals and the examples of festivals. Now my dear students, let's know why should we celebrate festivals? Why we need to celebrate festivals? What do we get? Here are some points I have written, okay? We need to celebrate them, means festivals, to bring happiness. My dear students, we have already discussed festival are such time which brings happiness in our life. So that we need to celebrate our festival, right? And next one is to preserve our tradition. Tradition means, do you know, our culture which have been started by our forefathers, our ancestors, isn't it? So festivals should be celebrated as they are our culture. We need to preserve our culture, isn't it? Our tradition. Tradition is our identity. Let me tell you, my dear students, we can be known as Nepalese people due to our different types of festivals as well, right? So we have to preserve our tradition of celebrating festivals, right? And next one is also there, to make good relationship with other people, our family members, our neighbors, our friends, our relatives. How it helps, do you know? Okay, during the time of festival, we might be inviting all of them, whoever we know, isn't it? And if we invite them, if we share our happiness, our sorrows during the time of festival, then what happens? There will be good relationship among them, right? Okay, next one is also here, to maintain cooperation in the society. My dear friends, these festivals also help to maintain cooperation among the people of society during the time of festivals. Yes, you might be inviting your neighbors, people who are living in your society, and sometimes your neighbors might have invited you. Yes, and if there is such invitation, then we must go there. Yes, and whenever we have festival in our home, we must invite our neighbors. It helps to maintain good cooperation among them. During the time of festival, they may be helping each other, right? So my dear students, these are the some few points, okay, that tells us why we need to celebrate festivals. Okay, till here are you clear? Yes. Now here I have given some of the festivals names and things we do. We might be doing different things, but some important things are the main things I have written here. Not only that, in our culture there are some special foods which are eaten during the time of some special festivals. So it is here on the table. Let's go for it, okay? So here at first there is Dasai festival. You might know who used to celebrate Dasai festival. The Hindus people who are living in our country, they are celebrating Dasai festival as their important or the main festival, right? Then what things they do? Okay, so fly kites, put tikka. You might have seen, you might have celebrated Dasai festival, as it can be taken as the national festival of our country as well, right? During time of Dasai, people, they used to fly kites, isn't it? They used to put tikka from their elders, they used to get blessings, right? They used to wear new clothes and they used to enjoy. And what is the special food that time? Okay, the special food eaten during the time of Dasai is meat. Other delicious food also people might be eating, but the special is meat, right? The next festival is there, Chhath. My dear students, let me tell you, this Chhath is the main festival celebrated in Tarai region by the people who are living in Tarai, okay? And how do they celebrate Chhath? What things they do? Okay, worship sun. My dear students, during the time of Chhath, people living in Tarai region, they keep fast. Yeah, they used to go to river or pond where there is water, take bath, and they used to worship rising and setting sun. Okay, and the food is there, special type of food prepared by the people during the time of Chhath, that is called Thekua. Have you heard this name? Okay, some of you might have tasted also. Okay, now the next one is there, Tihar. Okay, so during the time of the Tihar, what people do is worship crow, dog, Lakshmi, isn't it? You might have celebrated many times. You might have noticed during the time of Tihar, isn't it? We worship for crow also, dog also, cow also, isn't it? Ox also. And on the last day of Tihar, we worship for our brothers, right? For their long life. Okay, and what is the special food? During the time of Tihar, you might be seeing your mothers busy preparing sel roti, right? Okay, now next one is Eid. Do you have any idea who celebrate Eid? Yes, Muslim people, they used to celebrate Eid. And what do they do during the time of Eid? Okay, they go to mosque and read Quran. Okay, my dear students, let me tell you, during the time of Eid, Muslim people, they used to keep long fasting. Yes, and when the day of Eid comes, then they used to go to mosque, putting on new dresses, isn't it? And they used to read their holy book, Quran. And they used to wish each other, hugging each other as Eid Mubarak. Have you seen? Yes, you might have seen, okay. And the special food also they have, okay, during the time of Eid, that is Sewai, right? Okay, now the next festival is also there, that is Christmas. Okay, so how people celebrate Christmas festival? Okay, decorate Christmas tree. You might have seen Christmas tree, isn't it? And during the time of Christmas, they used to celebrate Christmas. They used to decorate Christmas tree with different types of ornaments, different types of things like stars, balls, isn't it? Chocolates even, yeah. And they used to exchange gifts also. Yeah, and they used to invite their relatives, neighbors, friends, and they used to eat delicious food. Yes, different types of delicious foods are eaten during the time of Christmas. So, my dear students, we have gone through five festivals only here. In our tradition, in our society, there are many festivals which we are celebrating, right? Okay, now it's time for picture, as I have said you before. Okay, I have collected some of the picture of festival celebration. So, let's look at the picture and let's have a short discussion on the picture, right? Okay, here the first picture goes for you. Okay, my dear students, what can you see in the picture? It is picture of Tihar festival. Okay, very good. And which special day is being celebrated there? Okay, it is Bhai Tika, the last day and the most important day of Tihar, right? There you can see in the picture one brother and a sister is there, and sister is going to put Tika for her brother. And my dear students, why it is important, do you know? If they do so, then there will be good bonding between brother and sister, right? Or the different activities we used to do during the time of Tihar. But this is the most important one. Okay, now here is next picture for you as well. That is, okay, let's have a look at the picture. What can you see? Yes, it is the festival celebration of Christmas. Okay, so here you can see two people, or one boy or girl, they are ready to exchange their gift, right? They are very happy, and just behind them you can see a Christmas tree which is decorated very nicely, right? Okay, shall we move for next picture? Yes, here is a picture. You can see some people, they are hugging each other, isn't it? They might be saying Eid Mubarak. Okay, very good. It is the picture of Eid festival which is celebrated by Muslim people, right? And just back of them you can see there a mosque. Yes, they might be there to celebrate Eid. Yes, to read Quran as their holy book, isn't it? Okay, now the next picture is also there. What can you see here in the picture? Yes, there are some people, they are so nicely dressed in their traditional costume, isn't it? And they are together. They might be dancing, isn't it? So, it is the festival of Loshar, which is celebrated by Sherpa and Gurung caste people who are living in the Himalayan region of our country. Yes? Okay. This much about the picture, my dear students. Now, let's have some exercise. Are you ready for that? Okay, before moving to exercise, are you clear about the topic? Yes, I hope so. Now, let's have exercise, okay? My dear students, here I have written an exercise that is very much easier. It is match the following, okay? One side you can see festival's name, and next side different religions are written there. So, you have to match, yes, this religion with their festivals, right? The sign Christmas, Eid. Which type of, what religious people used to celebrate these festivals? You have to match with them. Okay, so here at first there is our main festival, that is Dasai. Okay, which religion people celebrate Dasai? Do Muslims celebrate Dasai? Let's think once. Or Hindus? Okay, you are right. Yes, Dasai is celebrated by Hinduism or people who follow Hindu religion as their main festival. And we have already discussed what type of activities are done during the time of Dasai, right? Okay, then after there is next festival, that is Christmas. Do you have any idea which religious or religion people celebrate Christmas? Muslim? Or shall we go for Buddhism? Do you have any idea? Okay, it is all about Christianity, or Christian people used to celebrate Christmas. So, let's match it, okay? Yes, here it goes. And we have known how people used to celebrate Christmas, isn't it? Enjoying, decorating Christmas tree, exchanging gifts. We have already known it, right? So, the next one is here, Eid festival. Who celebrates Eid? Okay, here is Muslim, isn't it? You know it. Muslim people used to celebrate Eid by going to mosque, isn't it? Wishing each other as Eid Mubarak and having different delicious foods with sevai and wearing new clothes, right? Okay, the next one is also here, that is Guru Nanak Jayanti. It is also a festival. It might be new for you, but it is also a festival celebrated by who is? Buddhism? No, it is Sikhism. Okay, the Sikh people, they used to celebrate this Guru Nanak Jayanti as their main festival, right? And the final one is there for you, that is Buddha Purnima. And I am sure that you know it, that is Buddhist people used to celebrate Buddha Purnima, right? They go to stupa, they worship for Lord Buddha, isn't it? And you might know that Lord Buddha was born in our country and he is the founder of Buddhism, isn't it? Okay, my dear students, today we have gone through a topic that is all about our festival. And I know that everyone, they are very much interested, very excited to celebrate festival, isn't it? And in today's class, we have gone through different festivals which are celebrated in our society, in our community, isn't it? So my dear students, you might be clear about what types of festivals are celebrated in our country or in our society, isn't it? And let me tell you, my dear students, these all festivals are very important for us, isn't it? As they are our identity. That means we can be known as Nepalese people because of our festival as well. Yes, by looking our festival, other people may know us that we are Nepalese people, isn't it? But my dear student, nowadays in the name of festival, there are different wrong activities are also taking place, right? Like spending a lot of money during the time of festival, drinking alcohol, playing cards like that, isn't it? So, my dear students, while celebrating festival, we should be very much careful. We have to celebrate festival. It is our tradition. It brings happiness in our life, isn't it? So, we have to celebrate, but in a good manner, in a correct way. Okay? So, I hope you will mind this while celebrating festival. Now, my dear students, this much for today, and in next class I will be there with a new topic. Till that time, have a good day.